Welcome to the Quarryman's Cabin.
The quarrymen are listening to a man singing, reciting or reading the newspaper out loud.
The cabin is original to the quarry. The Slate Museum hasn't changed nothing.
On these benches, the quarrymen sat to eat their lunch.
Here's a picture of the quarrymen eating their lunch.
Here are the quarrymen eating next to the fountain. The fountain, which was a tea urn, was constantly boiling water to brew their lunch tenties.
Here are the quarrymen enjoying themselves. This is how the cabin looks now.
This is where the older quarrymen sat near the fountain. The youngest quarryman would sit by the door.
Here are the quarrymen's clothes who are there since the day the quarry shuts.
Here they are having a mini Eisteddfod.
Tomorrow and today.
Come to see us.